In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable to build an app. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable. Once you're on the official site, head to the top of the page and click Login. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Email. Type in your email address, then click Continue. You'll be prompted to create a password. Choose a strong one you'll remember, and when you're ready, click Create Your Account. Next, go to your email inbox to finish setting up your account. Look for the message from Lovable, open it, and follow the verification link. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. After confirming Return to Lovable, enter your full name so it appears correctly in your workspace, and click Continue. If you see any optional onboarding questions, feel free to click Skip so you can jump straight into building. You'll land on a page where Lovable asks what you want to build. In the prompt box, describe your app in a single clear sentence, like a to-do list app with login. The more specific you are, the better the starting point will be. Mention your key features, any basic pages you need, and who it's for. When you're satisfied with your description, click Send. Lovable will now generate your app. This can take a moment, so let it run. What you'll get is a working starter with the structure, screens, and logic based on your prompt. Once it loads, open the visual editor to customize the design. You can adjust layout, colors, and typography, tweak spacing, and change text labels so the interface matches your tone. Explore component settings to refine buttons, forms, and lists, and keep your branding consistent across screens. Make small changes and preview often so you can see how each tweak affects the overall look. When you're ready, try the app. Use the built-in preview to click through screens and test core flows. If your app includes authentication, try signing up and logging in, and create a sample item to confirm everything responds as expected. If something feels off, jump back into the editor, adjust, and preview again. Iterating in short loops helps you quickly dial in the experience. Once you're happy with the result, click Publish. Confirm the publish action, and Lovable will package your current version so it's ready to share and use. That's it. Search, sign in, describe your idea, let Lovable build, refine the design, test the flows, and publish when it feels right.